What you can do if the scales lift over time is you take the bag into the bathroom with you when you take a really hot shower. Yes. Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is all about my beloved Louis Vuitton monogram, because monogram canvas is actually my favorite print of Louis Vuitton. I know that, of course, like the Damier Ebene has existed for a longer time. That was actually the first canvas that Louis Vuitton has created. When I see monogram, like my heart sings, you know. I mean, I don't know, I don't get sick of it, you know. I don't really care that it's oversaturated in the market, or, you know, I think you just love what you love, and if you love something, just go for it. So yeah, I thought today I share my love for monogram with you. Yeah, so I got my monogram canvas pieces here, but I also got some other monogram pieces from Louis Vuitton that I want to show you that are not canvas. So yeah, where do we start? Okay, I'm really hyped at the moment because let's hope that the world goes back to normal soon, right? And that we can all travel a little bit again, because my favorite combination basically for traveling would be this. Like the Neverfull and the Nano Speedy. I mean, I know that there are a lot of people who would probably say, Romina, a Neverfull, really? Why? But you know, I absolutely love the Neverfull. This is the fourth one in my collection now, and hopefully the last. And I think this is such a beautiful piece. This is a word to a Neverfull. If you haven't seen my unboxing video of this beauty yet, please go and check it out. So, you know, there is a reason why everybody loves a Neverfull, and, you know, all of you who have one, who know how comfortable and how practical this bag is, you guys know that anyway, but you can just throw everything in. I have got a Samorga bag organizer in here, and of course with the word to a Neverfull, you know, the little pouch that comes with it also has the same kind of sticker, you know, on here, which is pretty cute. I absolutely love this bag. I love personalization items, so, you know, big dream of mine. And then, of course, if you imagine this as a carry-all bag, you know, when you go on the plane, and also maybe if you go to the beach, you know, something like that. But then also, if you don't want to carry a lot, you just take this one, and you can actually easily, like, let this baby disappear in your Neverfull, of course. And you know, it doesn't take that much space actually, so you can just, you know, you've basically got two in one. You know, if you are in a hotel or you go shopping, you don't want to carry a lot, you want to be hands-free, isn't that the perfect option, you know? So I think, like, this, honestly, this is the dream combination for holidays, because it's monogram canvas as well. You don't have to worry about it, you know. I always say you can basically give this a dog to chew on and nothing would probably happen to canvas because it's indestructible. So I always highly recommend canvas pieces from Louis Vuitton. Okay, then next up, let's talk about the Louis Vuitton Cannes bag. I mean, you guys know I absolutely love this bag. I love taking it out. It is such a showstopper. I cannot get enough of it, you know. I can keep staring at it and I think it's an artwork. So I love this. I've been taking it out for quite a while. It's kept up really well. So I've seen a lot of bags that get like a lot of wrinkles right here. Mine is absolutely perfect, I have to say, so I cannot complain. No wrinkles, no scratches, nothing. The hardware is not chipping. Love the Cannes bag. Okay, so next up, let's talk about my Louis Vuitton Victoire. This is my, I think by now, my most used bag. I know that my Chanel Gabrielle backpack was my most used bag for a while. I think, however, this one is now my most used bag in my entire collection. I mean, I love all my babies, you know that. But this bag is so practical and it looks so chic. You know, it's so easy to put everything in there. It has a divider in the middle. However, it's not as restricting as the Bulgari Serpenti Forever bag. So as you can see, you can stretch this a lot, which is really nice. And this is so, you know, I always say, like, you don't need to worry about it, but you don't, because, like, of course with the vachetta leather bags you have to worry a little bit in the beginning about the leather, right, because you don't want to get water stains on it and everything. But if you have a monogram bag with only black leather and no vachetta on it, then, you know, I think that's actually one of the best combinations. Same as with this one. Of course, this is a more like stylish piece. This is not an easy everyday bag. This is a shoulder bag, so, you know, that's why I probably love it so much. Black leather, amazing, you don't need to worry about rain. So, you know, whenever I want to look chic basically, but I also don't really want to think about my outfit, you know, I just throw this bag on and it looks amazing, as if you would have put a lot of thought into your outfit, but you didn't. So yeah, I can only recommend this beautiful bag. If you don't like the black version, they come in several different colors. I think they're currently still selling this one in blue and red, but in the past they made even more colors, so you could probably find it on the pre-loved market. Love the Victoire. Okay, so let's talk about these two classics. So of course you would know that these three bags, so the Neverfull, of course, the Alma and the Speedy, they are considered to be Louis Vuitton's classics. So basically what the classic flap is for Chanel, of course, those three bags are the equivalent for Louis Vuitton. So this is the Speedy 25. This is my absolute preferred size when it comes to the Speedy, because it's not so overwhelming, but it still holds so much. It's really incredible. This one is, I think, 3 years old now, so you can see it has got a beautiful patina on it. And then this one is just about a year old now. It looks so white still in comparison. However, it's patinaed a little bit, like it was entirely white when I got it. Maybe my ring light currently makes it look a little bit whiter as well than it actually is. It looks nice. It's on the way to a proper beautiful honey patina, I would say. So, you know, these are two classics. This is the Alma PM, this is the Speedy 25. So you can see they are pretty much the same size when it comes to length. So I would actually say that this one can hold a little bit more than this one, simply because, you know, this is a structured bag, whereas this is pretty unstructured. I can only recommend them. I mean, there's a reason why they are a classic. Of course, the Neverfull is pretty new. So the Neverfull came only out in 2007. You know, this is nothing, of course, in comparison to the Alma, for example, which was made for Coco Chanel herself, which is always a pretty interesting fact if you ask me. And then, of course, you have the Speedy, which was made for Audrey Hepburn. So, you know, those bags come with a little bit of fashion history. Okay, so, and last but not least, this is always the highlight in my collection. This is the Louis Vuitton Artsy, but this is a really rare piece because it actually comes with this python handle. And you know, people who've been following me for a while, you have seen this bag several times. However, I always think, you know, it's so worth showing this because it is so rare. I think they made around 10 or 15 of these only. 10 with a python handle and like 5 more with like, was it, oh, I always forget, the iris snake or something. It's a water snake, and they specifically made that bag to be able to sell it in California, I think, where it's illegal to sell python. So yeah, absolutely love this beauty. And this is such a comfortable bag, of course. You know, if you have a regular Artsy, you know that. It's such a comfortable, everyday best friend companion, basically. I love it. Of course, with this one, I also have to be a bit more mindful. I can't take it out in the rain. However, my SA from Bulgari actually gave me a really good tip recently. If you have python skin or any kind of snake skin bags, what you can do if the scales lift over time is you take the bag into the bathroom with you when you take a really hot shower, yes, and then basically if you have it in there for a while, the scales close automatically again, which is like incredible and really good to know, of course. So, you know, if you have a python bag, that might be helpful. Okay, and last but not least, let's talk about my beautiful vernis pieces. I love vernis leather. I mean, I can't get enough. I'm already considering like the Spring Street. I mean, you know that. Simply because I love this leather so much. This looks so this was my first ever designer handbag ever in 2012. Yes, at the end of 2012. That was my first baby that I ever gotten, and yeah, since then my collection has a little bit exploded, but hey, we all have the same luxury disease, right? So this beauty, you can see, is Amarante vernis, and the color looks different in any type of light. So, you know, now you can see it looks like a little, you know, like a berry color almost, but then in certain lights it can look black even, but it's such a mesmerizing color. I could stare at it forever and ever and ever. So this bag, especially like the same with this one as well, this is the Pasadena. The Vernis leather is so luxurious and it looks so stunning if you carry this bag. You know, like if it rains, you basically just wipe it dry and it's so worry-free and nonetheless so beautiful, and it's so hard wearing and so durable, so it doesn't scratch up. So this beauty I've had since 2016 and I've been carrying it a lot, you know, and same with this one. I mean, this one is almost 10 years now. Next year is gonna be 10 years. And I've been carrying it to death, to be honest. And there are absolutely no scratches anywhere. So this one doesn't even come with feet. Whoop, can we see this? But there are no scratches. So the Vernis leather is so durable and I can't wait to get another bag or even more in the future when it comes to Vernis leather. So they are monogram as well. You can see the monogram is embossed here. The new Vernis leather, actually it's not embossed anymore. So this one is embossed, the new one is debossed. So basically the LV is coming out. But still, it's absolutely beautiful and it's such high quality leather. Yes, okay, so I think that was everything for today. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, join our little handbag obsessed family here, because we all do have the same luxury disease. And the Métier collection is coming out in a couple of days, so there will be new shopping vlogs with all the new goodies. Yeah, have a wonderful week and I see you again soon. Bye!